Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Leather Honey brand, their complete leather care kit, including a conditioner, 8 ounces, and a cleaner. So on the left is the cleaner, the 8 ounces. You can see it's a really nice bottle. It's got a little tab on there. You just push like that and you can squeeze it out. This you're going to put on one of these included microfiber cloths, and you're going to rub and clean your leather. And there's 2 of these. And then on the right is the actual conditioner right here, and that's the honey texture, and a little bit of this goes a long way. You're going to rub it into your leather. We're going to demonstrate that, and then let it dry overnight preferably. This is excellent for your apparel, furniture, auto interiors, shoes, bags. This product gets great customer ratings. It's made in the United States, and you see the company's been around for over 50 years. Many customers use this product. Gets really excellent ratings on Amazon, and again, it's made in the United States. I've used this product before, but I never had this kit, so I'm going to have fun using it because I like the cleaner, which is separating it from the conditioner, and we're going to try this on my wife's purse to see how well it does. So let's give this a try and see how it does. So here's a purse that I'm going to be trying this product on. First thing we're going to do is the cleaner. We're going to shake this, and we're going to open up the little spigot right there. We're going to use the included microfiber cloth, and we're just going to put a couple drips. You can see it absorbing in there because it is kind of a liquidy substance. And we're going to take this and we're just going to rub it into all the parts of this beautiful leather on here. We're going to open this up. We're going to open this up and do the bottom part here. You can see very little is needed, and it actually goes right on there. It's a perfect texture to get. You can see it's starting to get some of the dirt and grime off it. And then we're going to let this dry. We're going to do the straps too. We're going to let this dry and come back after it dries. Now that's all dry, and now we're going to put on the Leather Honey conditioner. And we're going to shake this again, and this is a much thicker texture, closer to honey. So you can see it comes out slowly, nice and thick. And again, you don't need much of this. So this is thicker. You could see it's going on thicker. And you could see the transition in the color right there, and it's how it's starting to have a little bit of a sheen to it. So we're going to go ahead and do this whole purse and then let it thoroughly dry. And here is the purse 24 hours later, all protected. Look at that beautiful sheen it has to it, and it feels extra soft. And now I know that this purse is protected for at least 6 months time. Works amazing. So after testing, what do I think about the Leather Honey brand, their complete leather care kit, including the cleaner on the left right here and the conditioner on the right. This is an excellent product. As I demonstrated, this goes a long way to clean and condition all your leather and vinyl and rubbers around your house. Really, really impressed with this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.